Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is comparison of RC, TC and DC coupled amplifier. ठीक है, हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है? कंपैरिजन ऑफ RC, TC एंड DC coupled amplifier. ठीक है, हमने तीनों देखे. RC coupled amplifier देखा है, ट्रांसफार्मर coupled amplifier देखा है, डायरेक्टली coupled amplifier देखा है. ठीक है, सो हम इन तीनों का ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस पैरामीटर्स और on the basis of these particulars we will comparing these three, that is RC, TC and DC. इन तीनों को हम क्या करेंगे, इन पॉइंट्स के ऊपर या इन पर्टिकुलर्स के ऊपर इनका हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वन इज स्पेस एंड वेट. स्पेस एंड वेट. ओके, सो इन RC coupled amplifier the space is less. RC coupled amplifier the space is less. In transformer coupled amplifier space and weight is more, and in direct coupled amplifier space and weight is least. Space and weight is least. Okay, so second point is coupling elements. Coupling elements. In RC coupled amplifier coupling elements are R and C. Okay, and in transformer coupling we are using transformer as a coupling element. Okay, and in DC, that is direct coupling, no coupling element. No coupling element. Okay, then types of coupling we are used. Types of coupling we are used. In RC coupled amplifier only AC couplings are used. In transformer coupling we are only using AC couplings, and in direct coupling we are using AC as well as DC coupling. DC as well as AC coupling. Okay, then next is blocking of signals. Blocking of signals. Okay, so it's RC coupled. In RC coupled amplifier blocking of signals, it's block. DC is blocked. DC is blocked. In transformer coupled DC is blocked, and in direct coupled AC is blocked. Okay, then frequency response. Frequency response in RC coupled amplifier excellent in AF. Frequency response is excellent in AF. Okay, frequency response is poor in transformer coupled amplifier, and frequency response is best in direct coupled amplifier. Best in direct coupled amplifier. Next parameter is next parameter is impedance matching. Impedance matching. So in RC coupled amplifier impedance matching is not good. Not good. And in transformer coupled amplifier impedance matching is excellent, and in direct coupling it's good. It's good. Okay, then next parameter is distortion. On the basis of distortion we are comparing RC, TC and DC. Okay, so distortion, हम अगर distortion की बात करते हैं तो RC coupled amplifier में कौन सा distortion होता है friend? That is amplitude distortions. Okay, in transformer coupled amplifier there is a frequency distortions, and in direct coupled amplifier there is no distortion. There is no distortion. Then voltage gain. Voltage gain, that is in RC coupled amplifier voltage gain is least. Voltage gain in RC coupled amplifier is least. Voltage gain in transformer coupled amplifier is more, and voltage gain in direct coupled amplifier is less. Direct coupled amplifier is less. Then on the basis of cost, we are comparing this RC coupled, transformer coupled and direct coupled amplifier. So the cost of this RC coupled amplifier is less. The cost of this RC coupled amplifier is less. The cost of the transformer coupled amplifier is more, and the cost of the direct coupled amplifier is least. Okay, so these are the several points on which we can differentiate RC resistor, capacitor, coupling amplifiers, transformer coupling amplifiers, and directly coupled amplifiers. Okay, this is the comparison between these three. Okay.